Shorba. Puree of lamb khartoum. A main dish from Sudan. Serve 6. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Simmer lamb bones in salted water for 1 hour. Step 2. Add carrots, cabbage, string beans and garlic and simmer for 1 hour until vegetables are thoroughly cooked. Step 3. Remove lamb bones and put the mixture through a sieve or food mill. Step 4. Add peanut butter, lemon juice and cooked rice. Step 5. Serve in soup bowls, about 1 cup proportion. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.